Let's explore conversion rate optimization, which is all about turning website visitors into happy customers. In essence, it's the art and science of maximizing the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, whether it's making a purchase, filling out a form, or any other goal you have in mind. Think of it like a funnel. At the top, you have all your website visitors representing 100%. As they move through the funnel, some become engaged users, then leads, then prospects, and finally at the bottom you have your loyal customers. The goal of conversion rate optimization is to widen the bottom of the funnel, turning more visitors into customers. So, what exactly is conversion rate? In simple terms, it's the percentage of website visitors who complete a desired action, also known as a conversion, out of the total number of visitors. Now, let's look at the formula for calculating conversion rate. It's quite straightforward. Conversion rate equals the number of conversions divided by the total number of visitors, and then multiplied by 100%. For example, if you have 50 sales from 1,000 visitors, your conversion rate would be 5%. Understanding this basic formula is the first step in optimizing your website for better results. Let's explore the different types of conversions that can drive business value. First, we have macro conversions. These are your primary business goals that directly impact revenue. Examples include completed purchases, service subscriptions, paid membership signups, and completed lead forms. Next, we have micro conversions. These are smaller actions that indicate engagement. Examples include email newsletter signups, account creation, adding products to cart, and downloading resources. Then there are multi-step conversions. These involve a series of actions leading to a final conversion, such as checkout processes, registration flows, onboarding sequences, and application submissions. Finally, we have channel-specific conversions. These are tracked by traffic source, such as organic search conversions, social media conversions, email marketing conversions, and paid advertising conversions. By understanding these different types of conversions, you can gain valuable insights into how users interact with your website and optimize your marketing efforts accordingly. Now let's discuss why conversion rate matters. First and foremost, it maximizes return on investment. You can get more value from your existing traffic without increasing your advertising spend. Even a 1% increase in conversion rate can lead to significant revenue growth with the same marketing budget. Conversion rate also serves as a key performance indicator or KPI to evaluate website effectiveness, user experience, and content relevance. It helps you identify what's working and what's not across your digital presence. Additionally, it provides valuable customer insights. It reveals user behavior patterns and preferences. Testing different elements for conversion optimization provides valuable data about your audience and their decision-making process. Finally, it gives you a competitive advantage. In competitive markets, even small conversion improvements can create significant advantages. Companies with optimized conversion funnels outperform competitors with similar traffic levels. Let's explore the connection between search engine optimization, or SEO, and conversion rate, and how they work together to drive business results. SEO drives quality traffic to your website. Keyword intent matching brings visitors with specific needs that your content can address. Content that ranks for informational queries builds trust and authority before conversion. Local SEO connects businesses with high-intent local customers who are ready to convert. Technical SEO improvements create better user experiences that support conversion. Conversion signals also boost SEO. Engagement metrics like time on page and bounce rate influence search rankings. Pages with high conversion rates often have better user signals that search engines value. Conversion-optimized content tends to earn more backlinks and social shares. Satisfied customers who convert are more likely to return directly to your site. Let's dive into the key metrics for measuring conversion rate. First, there's the overall conversion rate. This is the percentage of total website visitors who complete your primary goal action, serving as your broadest conversion indicator. The formula is total conversions divided by total visitors, multiplied by 100%. Next, we have channel-specific conversion rate. This breaks down conversion rates by traffic source, such as organic, paid, social, and email, helping you identify which channels deliver the most valuable visitors. The formula is channel conversions divided by channel visitors, multiplied by 100%. We also have device conversion rate, which segments conversion rates by device type, like desktop, mobile, and tablet, revealing potential user experience issues on specific devices that may need optimization. The formula is device conversions divided by device visitors, multiplied by 100%. Finally, there's cost per conversion, which is the average cost to acquire one conversion. This is essential for evaluating marketing efficiency and return on investment across campaigns and channels. The formula is total marketing spend divided by the number of conversions. Let's discuss conversion rate benchmarks, which are industry averages you can use to measure your performance against. Here are some general benchmarks by industry. For e-commerce, the average rate is 1.5 to 3%. For business-to-business services, it's 2 to 5%. For finance and insurance, it's 5 to 10%. For travel and hospitality, it's 1 to 2%. For healthcare, it's 3 to 5%. And for software as a service, it's 7 to 15%. Now let's look at some benchmarks by channel. For organic search, the average rate is 2 to 5%. For paid search, it's 3 to 6%. For email marketing, it's 10 to 20%. For social media, it's 0.5 to 2%. For direct traffic, it's 4 to 8%. And for referral traffic, it's 2 to 4%. Keep in mind that these are general benchmarks, and your specific niche, audience, and offering may vary significantly. Let's explore some SEO factors that can have a significant impact on conversion rates. First, we have keyword intent alignment. Matching content to the right search intent, whether it's informational, navigational, commercial, or transactional, ensures visitors find exactly what they're looking for, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Next, we have page speed. Faster loading pages not only rank better, but also reduce bounce rates. Every second of delay can reduce conversions by up to 7%, especially on mobile devices. Mobile optimization is also crucial. With mobile-first indexing and increasing mobile traffic, responsive design and mobile user experience are essential for both rankings and conversions. Mobile-friendly sites convert significantly better across all devices. Finally, we have trust signals. Security indicators such as Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, or HTTPS, reviews, testimonials, and trust badges help establish credibility. Sites with strong trust signals convert up to 42% better than those without. Let's explore some effective conversion rate optimization strategies. First, there's A/B testing. This involves comparing two versions of a page element to see which performs better. You can test headlines, call to actions or CTAs, images, and layouts to identify what resonates with your audience. Next, we have user testing. This is where you observe real users interacting with your site to identify friction points and usability issues that may be preventing conversions. Heat maps can also be helpful. These visualize where users click, move, and scroll on your pages to understand engagement patterns and optimize element placement for better conversion. Funnel analysis is another strategy. This helps identify where visitors drop off in your conversion process, so you can target improvements at specific stages of the customer journey. Landing page optimization is essential. This means creating dedicated pages for specific traffic sources with targeted messaging that aligns with the visitor's intent and referral context. Finally, collecting and analyzing customer feedback through surveys and interviews can help you understand objections and motivations that influence conversion decisions. Let's delve into measuring search engine optimization and conversion success, focusing on the tools and metrics you can use to track performance. First, let's look at some analytics tools. Google Analytics 4 is essential for tracking user journeys, conversion paths, and attribution. Google Search Console helps you monitor search performance and user queries. Hotjar and Crazy Egg allow you to visualize user behavior with heat maps. And tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs help you track rankings and keyword performance. Now let's look at some key metrics to track. Focus on organic traffic quality, including bounce rate, time on site, and pages per session. Analyze conversion by landing page to see which entry pages drive the most conversions. Track keyword to conversion data to determine which search terms lead to the highest conversion rates. And, of course, measure your return on SEO investment, comparing the value of conversions against your SEO costs. Remember, the most successful SEO strategies focus not just on traffic, but on attracting the right visitors who are likely to convert. Continuously measure, test, and optimize both your SEO and conversion elements for maximum impact. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.